In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to ChatGPT. Before we start, here's the big picture. Connecting Klaviyo to ChatGPT lets you bring your email marketing data and workflows into your AI workspace, so you can draft campaigns faster, analyze performance using natural language, and save time on routine tasks. The setup is quick and happens entirely inside ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click your profile icon there to open the menu, then select Settings. This is where all of your account and workspace controls live. Inside Settings, find and click the Apps section. This page lists apps you've connected and is also where you'll add new ones. From here, choose Explore Apps, or you may see Add More depending on your interface. Both options take you to the same catalog. At the top, you'll see a search field. Click into the search bar and type Klaviyo. You should see the Klaviyo app appear in the results. Click Klaviyo, then press Connect. At this point, simply follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to sign into your Klaviyo account or confirm permissions so ChatGPT can access the features you want to use. Read each prompt carefully and approve only what you're comfortable sharing. If a browser window or pop-up appears, keep it open until you see a confirmation message. This part can look slightly different depending on your account setup, but the flow is straightforward. Review, authorize, and continue. Once the connection completes, you'll typically see a status indicator showing that Klaviyo is connected. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to refresh, or briefly close and reopen the Apps section in Settings. That's it. The integration is active and ready. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Make sure you're signed into the correct ChatGPT account before you begin, especially if you use multiple workspaces. If you manage several Klaviyo accounts, confirm you're authorizing the right one during the prompt. Keep your browser logged in and avoid blocking pop-ups while you connect. And remember, you can return to the Apps page anytime to review or manage your connected apps. To recap, open your profile menu, go to Settings, select Apps, choose Explore Apps or Add More, search for Klaviyo, click Connect, and follow the instructions. With that, your Klaviyo connection to ChatGPT is set up, and you're ready to get more done with your marketing.